When we peek under the hood of the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder experience, we're not just encountering a wandering mind. It's a high-stakes biological drama involving the immune system, tiny cellular warriors, and some very busy chemicals. We are looking at a mix of inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity that actually maps out to structural and functional changes in the brain. We see differences in cortical thickness and the volumes of frontostriatal circuits. Think of the basal ganglia, the striatum, and the prefrontal cortex as a high-tech coordination center. When the striatum, which handles everything from sensory input to cognitive flexibility, isn't quite in sync, it affects our motor planning and how we process motivation. It's like the brain's project manager is working with a slightly glitchy spreadsheet. Now into the immune system, which is way more involved in your immune than you might think. We have inflammatory cytokines like interleukin and tumor necrosis factor alpha, which act as the body's alarm system. Usually inflammation is good for a scraped knee, but when there's a high inflammatory response in the brain, it changes the whole environment. This involves microglia and astrocytes, the brain's resident security guards, and janitors. When they go too fired up, they start producing chemokines and C-reactive protein, creating a state of chronic low-grade inflammation. This isn't just a physical feeling, it actually alters neurotransmission and how we metabolize tryptophan, which is a building block for how we feel and focus. This inflammatory party leads to oxidative stress. Imagine your cells are trying to run a marathon, but they keep getting pelted with reactive oxygen species, basically biological rust. If your antioxidant defense systems can't keep up, you get a redox imbalance. The dopaminergic pathways are the real stars of the show. Dopamine is a reward chemical that helps us stay motivated, but pro-inflammatory cytokines can actually interfere with dopamine synthesis. If the immune system is shouting too loud, the brain struggles to produce and use dopamine effectively in the basal ganglia. This neuroendocrine shift is a huge part of the different attention deficit hyperactivity disorder phenotypes we see. Because everyone's environmental factors and genetic makeup are different, the way this inflammation expresses itself is full of heterogeneity. One person might struggle more with cognitive control, while another deals with motor planning and coordination issues. So next time you're feeling particularly scared, remember that it's not just lack of willpower, it's a complex interaction where your immune system, your hormones, and your neurotransmission are all trying to find their balance. And by looking at how these inflammatory processes work, we're getting much better at understanding the vibrant, complex reality of the neurodevelopmental brain.